when I speak. From graceful grape tree trees, I pick purple grapes, mash them in brown sugar, eat, sit, and watch the waves. I love the morning sunrise, to watch Cayman's morning bloom, to feel the cool and comfort morning mixed with the dew. I love the call of little
Emancipate yourself from mental slavery. None but ourselves can free our minds. Have no fear of atomic energy, 'cause none of them can stop with your time. How long shall they kill our prophets while we stand aside and look? Ooh, some say it's just a part of it, yeah. Got to fulfill the book. Won't you help me sing another song of freedom? It's all I've ever had. Redemption songs, yeah. These songs of freedom. Talking about this train. All right. A little longer than they told me I could. I like these lights. I want somebody dancing. How about the kids at least, right? My grandma and your grandma sitting by the fire. My grandma said to your grandma, I'm gonna set your flag on fire. Talking about hey now, that's your part. I go one day. Chugga-motta be-na-na-na, yeah, chugga-motta be-na-na. I see that girl all dressed in green. I go one day. She's not a girl, she's a loving machine. Singing I go one day. Talking about hey now, hey now, hey now, hey now. I go one day. Chugga-motta be-na-na-na, yeah, chugga-motta be-na-na. Talking about hey now, hey now, hey now, hey now. I go one day. Chugga-motta be-na-na-na, say, come, Mr. Tallyman, tally me banana. Daylight come and I wanna go home. Oh, he say, come, Mr. Tallyman, tally me banana. Daylight come and me wanna go home. Daylight come and I wanna go home. There you go. A beautiful bunch of ripe banana. Daylight come and I wanna go home. Hides the deadly black tarantula. Daylight come and I wanna go home. Oh, say 8 foot, 7 foot, 8 foot puncher. Daylight come and I wanna go home. Stack is 6 hand, 7 hand, 8 hand puncher. Daylight come and I wanna go home. A beautiful bunch of ripe banana. Daylight come and I wanna go home. Hides the deadly black tarantula. Black banana to the hill. Come on. Daylight come and I wanna go home. Mr. Tallyman, tally me banana. Daylight come and I wanna go home. Mr. Tallyman, tally me banana. Daylight come and I wanna go home. He said, yeah. Everybody. Daylight come.
By the Creator, with having friendly folks, natives like us, of course swaying palms, the beautiful ocean out there, and all of that. I can remember some 50 years ago that when we were children, before we went to school, we usually would get up around 5:30 in the morning and go in our bushland, our backyard.
You know the symptoms of the journalism when you're up at night on your phone looking for a story the next day, right? So it's a terrible disease. It rids you of sleep. It keeps you up at all hours of the night. It makes politicians dislike you from time to time. And anyway, my poem is called Diagnosed with the Journalism. Another day, another news report. Can we talk about something else besides the cruise port? Camera, tripod, microphone. You gotta
Can't incinerate all the worries as they rage behind the grate. I'll see them each year on the candles of your birthday cake. I'm hoping in a smoky cloud you can take each doubt and blow them out. And I shall place a kiss on those tiny little fists and pray you never use them for harm. Hope instead you'll open your palm and extend a courteous arm. And when your lip trembles and tears stream, I won't say...
My poems are short, so I've got 3 to read. The next one is called Serenity. Transfixed of the rhythm beneath your breast, lay still, repeat, lay still, repeat. Ancient mantras soothe my soul, lay still, repeat, lay still, repeat.
Line. Now right now the world doesn't, and the Cayman Islands doesn't use this anymore. Don't ask me why, because when I explain to you here tonight why they don't use this anymore, maybe you can understand. I'm a fisherman, as she was saying before, but I don't fish by luck. I would say the master gave me a gift to fishing. It had to be him. It just couldn't be me. It had to be him. Because what I can do with this brain of mine, in my hands, I don't use rod and reels, never did. But I'm one of those, what you call, amazing fishermen. That's really what I am. And I know you got some good fishermen around, even right here now. I'm sure there are a couple of them. But I'm the amazing one. And I will demonstrate something for you. And they call this, in Cayman Brac, they call this in years gone by. So I'm going back into history. Macho fishing, it come from the old days. This can catch the marlins. And you can bring him straight from where you hook him and bring him straight to your boat, and he don't get one comes to you. Is because from the time you set the hook, you hold the fish head. Any fisherman know that if you control the fish head, not the way they do now, He takes the rod, he bends it down, they get ready, and they look, and it's going. The boat is going one way, and the fish is going the other way. No. Okay, so listen to this.
The turtles. Sometimes they would slack this down as much as 80 feet over the turtles, and using a water glass get the right alignment so that they could get it just over the turtle and drop the back half right behind the turtle, and as soon as he take off, he would shoot up into it and get all tangled up. And then the hauler would, which in this case would be him, he would haul it up. I would be the captain, I would guide the boat or sail it to whichever spot we were going to go fishing. We also have the calabash, which was used to keep the boat free of water. You didn't want to sink, of course, and because the boats were low and during the sea.
This way, all right. So we're going to actually press it. All right. So, atención, damas y caballeros, ven para acá, porfa, niños. All right. So let's describe the process of this way, this unique way of making coconut oil.
Okay. First, I shred the coconut, and then it's dried in a homemade dryer, and it's all dehydrated. It's a solar dehydrated. It's very, very dry. No, go ahead.
It's dry though. It's very dry.
I just been wanting to do that all night. Go ahead. No, go ahead.
No, this is very dry.
Yeah.
The oil is actually starting to drip. Look at that. This is being compressed. There's a lot of space here. Oh yeah.
Over at the Old Time Emmanuel Tower. So there'll be one at a time. So if you'd like, you can go over and watch Miss Annalie, like I said, to my left, and watch her lay the thatch rope. And we will keep you updated throughout the night.
Specific phosphorus food care IGA, Public Works Department, and the Liz Walton Thompson, Marcia Rankin, Alta Solomon, Matt Hayden, as volunteer Denny Rankin. Such a successful event, it could not be done without you. I would also like to start with extensive mention of our premier, the Honorable Alan McLaughlin, who is in our midst. And we would like to thank those in tourism and those in culture for working together to make this happen. Yes, tourism is doing very well in Kim and Brac. And when our tourists come and they're happy, we're making them happy, we get happy, and everybody's happy. So we had a cruise ship here yesterday. We need some 200 and odd persons in Kim and Brac where they got to see the island. And it's always good when people selling arts and crafts.
shore. I don't want to go anymore. Italiamigo frightened me. Italiamigo drowning me. Italiamigo won't be buried. Italiamigo's too much for me. Patty, do you love me?
Yes, John Patty, I do.
Patty, Patty, do you love me?